Hello Year 2, Miss Wilson again for Maths. Hopefully you've done your flashback 4 and checked your answers. I wanted to say a big well done for your flashback 4s recently. You've been really good at remembering our learning, not only from the last lessons, but from last half term and the term before that. So well done. They're a really good warm up for your brain to keep it all in there. So before we begin today's lesson, let's practice our counting in threes. So I want you to join in with me as I go. We're going up in jumps of 3. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Well done. And remember, we say 30 because it's 3 lots of 10s and 0 ones. Let's go again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Well done. I love seeing that some of you have been practicing that at home as well. So today we are going to learn to use the multiplication symbol. You will need your home learning book and pencil ready. This is the multiplication symbol. It looks like a big X marks the spot, a big cross. And it means lots of, let's see what I mean by that. Here I have 3 equal groups of 4. Let's check that. I've got 1, 2, 3 groups with 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. And we know from yesterday we can write that as an addition sentence by saying 4 add 4 add 4. And if I add those together, I would get 12. Now, another way we could say that is to say that we have 3 lots of 4. Instead of saying 3 groups of 4, we can call it 3 lots of 4 because look, I've got 1, 2, 3 lots, 3 groups of 4. And if I wanted to write that as a number sentence, that's a bit shorter than our addition sentence, I would use the multiplication symbol to say lots of. I've got 3 lots of 4, which equals 12, so I can write that as 3 lots of 12 with my multiplication symbol. And you could even do the hand movements to help you. 3 lots of 4. Here's another example. Ooh, can you shout at me? How many groups have I got? 2, well done. 1, 2. And how many are in each group? 6, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my first sentence would say there are 2 groups of 6. Now I want to write that as an addition sentence. Grab your pencil and in your home learning book, write down what you think the addition sentence would be. Pause to give yourself time. Hopefully you wrote that we would do 6 add 6. 6 add 6. And we know 6 add 6, that's one of our doubles. 6 and 6 is 12. Now, here's our new word, lots of. Instead of saying 2 groups of 6, I could say 2 lots of 6. And it still equals 12. I've still got the same number of cubes. 2 lots of 6, I can make that look even nicer and even shorter by using our new lots of symbol. And write 2 lots of 6 equals 12. Hopefully you're starting to see the pattern. Here's the number sentence, what it looks like. I've got the number of groups, 2 lots of 6, that's how many cubes are in each group, equals 12, how many there are altogether. So it's just an easier way of writing lots of, so I don't have to write the word every time. Okay, now it's your turn to do this one. So in your home learning book, I would like you to try and fill in the gaps. Don't worry if there's some gaps that you don't think you can fill in because we will go through it as a group together. So pause here and see if you can fill in the gaps on my screen. Okay, let's see what you got. First sentence, there are equal groups of Okay, well, how many groups have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy, we can do that. There are 4 equal groups. How many are in each group? 1, 2. 4 equal groups of 2. Now I want to write that as an addition, and I gave you a clue because I gave you 4 gaps. And I've got 4 groups of 2, so I've got 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. And you can check up here. 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. And I can work that out. I know how to count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done if you got that right. Don't worry if you didn't. It's all about practice. Now our new word, lots of. So instead of saying 4 groups of 2, you can say 4 lots of 2. And it still equals 8. Still equals the same number. I haven't changed how many dots I've got. Let's make it look even nicer. 4 lots of 2. I can swap lots of for my multiplication symbol. Lots of. 4 lots of 2 equals 8. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. Don't worry, we're going to be doing lots of practice if you didn't. Here, I've shown this to you. Instead of showing you the picture, I'm just going to show you the number sentence. And this is a long number sentence. 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5. There must be a nicer way to write that. And that's where our lots of symbol, our multiplication symbol, really comes in handy. Because I can just count that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5. And turn it into this lovely sentence down here. 6 lots of 5. Much easier. Let's check that I got that right, that it's 30. Let's count in 5s. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Brilliant. Now it's your turn. How many have I got here? Let's have a look. So 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5. That's a long number sentence. How many lots of 5 have I got? Right, all I want you to write in your book is how many lots of 5 have I got? Hopefully you've written that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 5. Is there a nicer way I could write that than as a sentence? If you think you know, pause and write it down. Use our new lots of symbol to write that down. I have 5 lots of 5. 5 lots of 5. That symbol just means lots of. 5 lots of 5, which equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We are getting good at this. Let's do one more practice all together. So I want you to pause here and in your home learning book, write down how many lots of 5 we've got and see if you can challenge yourself and write down the number sentence with the multiplication symbol. Okay, let's see how you did. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 5. So I could write that in a number sentence as 4 lots of 5, which equals 5, 10, 15, 20. My maths brain is so full. We are doing so well. Well done, everybody. So your job now is to fill out this grid. You will find it on Google Classrooms, and there are 5 questions for you to do on the grid. So I've given you a number sentence. This one says there are 3 equal groups of 2. And in some of them, you will then need to draw it. Some of them I've done it for you to help you out. So here you can see I've drawn 1, 2, 3 groups with 1, 2 in each group. 3 groups of 2, like we've been doing all week. Then I've written the addition sentence. And I've seen that I've got 2, add 2, add 2, 2, add 2, add 2. And I've counted in 2s to work out that 6. 2, 4, 6. And then the last column, we are going to challenge ourselves to write the multiplication sentence. I know you can do this, everybody. If you start and you're finding it a little bit tricky, click on the enable task because I filled some more gaps in there to help you out. And when you're finished, let's see how many of us can try the challenge today. I have absolutely loved how many of you have been doing the challenge. Well done. So off you go, find the grid, and good luck, everyone.